In just 5 minutes, you are going to know how to repair a damaged credit score in just 90 days. I'll break down 4 different methods that you guys can use and implement to help increase your credit score. And stick around because the last one is often one that most people haven't heard of. Number 1, starting off simple, is actually missing payments. To help prevent this, you guys can set up a direct debit. What this means is the money you spend on your credit card, instead of having to manually pay it back out of your debit card, a direct debit will basically automatically take the money out of your debit card or your current account to pay off your credit card. What this means is you cannot forget because it automatically does it for you, and it also means you won't have to pay those high interest rates when you forget to pay back your credit card. Number 2 is credit utilization. What this means is the percent of money you use compared to the balance you get given. So if you guys get a £100 limit a month, lots of experts suggest using 30% of this limit. Let's use a more realistic number because most people get more like £1,000, let's say. A lot of experts suggest using 30% of this allowance and not going over that. So if you get given £1,000 allowance a month, to use 30% of that number. So that would be £300 monthly you guys can spend. This will also help not accidentally going over the limit you get given, so avoiding interest again. But as I said, lots of experts say to go all the way up to 30% but nothing over of your limit. Number 3, and a lot of people don't realize this, but you have to apply for credit very sparingly. Every time you apply for a credit card or a loan, the lender does a deep dive into your credit. This can often actually damage your credit score. One way around this is obviously try not to apply for lots of loans or lots of credit cards. But another way is if you need the loan, then a lot of companies offer something called a soft search. And what this means is they'll look into your credit score and your history, but not doing such a deep dive. And what it means is it won't have such a big impact, but they'll be able to tell you if they think you'll be eligible for the loan without having to do that deep dive. So it shouldn't be as dramatic on your credit score and shouldn't have a bad effect. The 4th and last one is one of the easiest things you can do, and most people didn't even realize this affected your credit score, but it is making sure you are eligible to vote. Being on the electoral roll is one of the easiest things you can do. What it does is help confirm your identity and your address. So if you guys haven't already done this, make sure that you guys are eligible to vote. This is for UK people. Super easy, you can do it in an afternoon and it will have an impact on your credit score. Hopefully this helped you guys. Please subscribe because you'll get more content like this every week.